Could you tell us about the video that you made?
Yes, I made a video to demonstrate how you can grow vegetables from seeds taken out of vegetables rather than seeds that you might buy in a shop. And it was really simple. I had been asked to do a video and I thought, well, this would be particularly appropriate as I worked as a volunteer in the Gambia helping to develop a garden at a nursery for growing vegetables. So this seemed to be the perfect subject, and it all took place in my kitchen. It was, as I say, very simple. There was a little preparation required because I wanted to do a before and after scenario. So I took seeds out of the vegetables and demonstrated how to make plant pots out of toilet roll holders. And then I was able to show what happened to beans. I should have said perhaps I had planted bean seeds initially just in jam jars so that when they started to shoot, you could see the development of the root structure and the shoots themselves. Yeah, in my kitchen, my daughter was invited. I had to feed her, but she came with her phone and just videoed me showing this seed planting. And that was it. It could not have been simpler.
And this fits in, doesn't it, with work that you do in the UK with planting seeds?
It does, children, yes, because I work for a voluntary organisation in the UK and have an allotment for small children aged from about 4 to 8 to come, and they each get their own bed on the allotment, the 16, and they get an opportunity to grow what they would like within reason. I did have one little girl who wanted to grow porridge, and we had to steer her in a different direction, but yeah, it fitted in very well with my hobby.
So that you linked with your volunteer placement and with your hobby, so a perfect match.
It was a perfect match.
What seeds did you grow on your video?
Beans. The bean seeds I took out of an old bean pod and had previously put some in a jam jar, as mentioned, so that they could see what they could expect to happen under the soil. I did beans, tomatoes, and a small pumpkin.
Fantastic. And have you had any feedback on whether people like your video?
I have, yes. I've had an email. The video has been sent to a school in Cambodia, and they were pleased to see it. So I'm hoping it will be seen elsewhere too.
It certainly will, and it will certainly be seen in the Gambia, which was where you did your placement. So thank you for telling us about your video.
You're very welcome.